Solutions, what's on your mind, stevehform.com. I was out doing some machines today and other things and the usual. Let's take a look at this first. And I got some new subscribers, and everybody can do whichever way they want to. The Mega Millions we're going to figure out. Powerball, this is what I see. Okay, let's look down here. Okay, let's look at the second one. The middle one where I add left and right. Or though the top one, you basically add the two of those to equal the 6. You take the 40, add the 40, 4, 4, 2, 0 plus 2. That right there, or it depends what the other numbers are. And the Powerball last night was, well, the numbers were 115, 17, 46, 66. I actually had 46 and 66, but in two different rows. And the 15 came out twice. I think now I see what I'm seeing. And basically, it's not of how many numbers there are per pyramid. So, this is the way I see it. There's 3 zeros, 4 zeros, 5, 6 zeros. Okay. And the odd number. Now, I'm trying to think even if it's an odd number on the date that comes out, or if it's an even number. That's what I'm trying to figure out. And there's 3 sixes that one on top of the one. That's the base number. 17 plus 4 is 21. You don't use the 2, you use the 1. And the 1 and the flip is a 6. However, what I've noticed is that, well, 17 came out, and the date is the 17th. That doesn't always mean that's going to come out. Then you have the 115. So this is what I think happened. I think what happened was you have 3 sixes, okay, and you can flip them to 2s. Well, here's the thing also. There's the 2s. The 7 or the 2 has always come out on both lotteries. The other night, on the Mega Millions, the 29 came out, so it was a 2 and a 9. Well, if you flip a 2, it could be a 9, it could be a 7. However, the 7 did not come out in the Mega Millions in a double or a singles. They were all doubles. Yesterday, the single. I can usually indicate when a single number is going to come out, and that's actually pretty damn good if I can figure that out. I think what happened was with the 15, if you take a couple of ones, the 6s, and you flip the 6 to a 5, I think that's what it is. I also have to look at the other draws to double check. That was the 13th, and I have to check on the 13th for the Powerball of what came out. I think, I'll take a look at that in a few minutes, but that's my observation. This is going to go up on YouTube, and there's zeros that could be a 1, so 0 doesn't really count. There's 1s. There's 3 1s that came out, but it was 1, 15, 17, and the 46 and 66. I can see the 2 4s and the 3 6s, and on the bottom that could have been 64, but it was 46. So that's what I see right there, and I wrote them down. Where did I write them down at? I don't even think I wrote. Yeah, I wrote down below there 66. I don't know. I did write a 46. I wrote it right here, and I wrote 66 right here, and I wrote 16 down, and I think this is going to be very, very close. I didn't think the 15 was going to come out twice, and it did. It's not the first time it came out twice on a draw. So, and I just definitely think I know why. I think if there's multiple numbers in the pyramid, or not even multiple or close to that, I think that's what's going to come out. So just because there's a bunch of 2s doesn't mean it's going to be. Number 2, this is the most obvious pyramid. When you go left, right, then left, and then the single. Although, as soon as you finish at this line, then you got to add it, and you got to add it, and then add the 2 to that. So, I apologize if my numbers are running up lousy, but that's what I see. And I'll practice. I'll look at the other draws and I'll take a look, but I think that's how the matrix system works. You have to do the flip, and it's unbelievable. So, if that's the case, then guess what? If people are watching this video, if I get several views watching this video, then you have 21 numbers, then I think that's the answer. But I have to see for tomorrow, and I have to see for Saturday. I think Saturday I'm going to get 3 or 4 numbers. No joke. We'll see what comes out. It's like I said, there's a 6 right there. If you flip it, it's a 5. Although 66 came out, and the 2 could be a 7, it could be 9, and what came out 1 7, which was 17. So I'm gonna put this up. We'll see what happens. All right.